Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to create extra product fields. Let's get started. So, starting on the dashboard CMS, the first thing we're going to do is select the store icon. Once here, we'll hover over the Products tab and select Extra Product Fields. Once we're here, we'll click Create. Now, when creating an extra product field, you'll need to do a few things. The first thing you'll have to do is name your extra product field, and then select the field type. There are many kinds of field types. For example, there's the single line text, multiple line text, single selection, and the checkbox. Once you select your field type, make sure it's shown on the product page. You'll click Save. And just like that, you've learned how to create an extra product field. Thanks, everyone.